Meaning of disablement.
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 Disablement. Disablement refers to the limitation or loss of ability to perform tasks or activities that are necessary for daily living. This can be caused by a variety of factors, such as injury, illness, or aging. Individuals who experience disablement may require assistance or accommodations in order to complete tasks that were once routine or simple. The result of disablement can vary widely depending on the individual and their specific limitations. It may impact one's independence, social life, and overall quality of life. In some cases, rehabilitation or other interventions can improve or restore functioning.